bigger with more ridges. How could this be the ugly shell? How could this ugly shell be the answer to the riddle, said Annie. What about that part that says, there's great beauty in me? Wait, research, said Jack, and he opened the soaked
G, the sweet cafe, B, great G. And they said, oh, it's our first week back, and so we want to go into it gently. So it's only just.
That's it. Did you hear it? Ruby, come on out. Go on then. Do you want to do that one again? Practice that one till you remember it all. Good. Another go. Next line.
Do re mi. Yeah, I thought it was.
A, B, C,
Recognise it.
B, D. That's it. We'll do this one again. That's a complicated one, isn't it? B, C, D, D, B, D,
I've got to get this
B, D,
LPA signed.
B, D. There you go. You can hear it then. B, C, D. Try it again. B, C, D, D. That's it. B, D. Yep. B. Yeah. Another go on this line. B, C, D, B, D, B, D. One more D. Yeah. I know, I'll have to watch them. Kanpai. Cheers. Kanpai.
Sausage, yeah?
Sausage.
How many sausages do you want? 2?
Oh, careful.
There you go.
You've got lots of lovely salad, you know.
Garlic and herb chicken.
Please.
Yeah? And one of these, yeah? You like one of these? Where are you going?
What's in there?
Want some more? Want one of these?
One of them.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, fine.
What's in there? Well, you're looking a bit red to be indoors, Diane, aren't you?
No. Ruby! The zombie! No, Ruby's not zombie. We're pretending the zombie's in here. You have to revive me. What do you mean? Revive me.
I made this with non-slip
What's
on the
a
back.
non-slip?
It's rubber, sticky surface,
Yeah.
so that it doesn't slide when you put the bowl on. That stays where it is. And because it's special and handmade by me, what does that say?
Tanya.
Can you read the top? Made.
Made with love by Tanya.
That's it. So we made that, and then I made a smaller one
Yeah. I know.
to put your drink on if you need one to have your drink.
No, Mummy's got a bottle.
Has she?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Okay, what else would fit in the little pocket? Will it fit in?
Wow.
Yes! There you go, little snack as well.
I'm going to use it.
Oh yeah, you can't use that one. I've got to take that back to Ben because it's Ben's cup. So when I finished, so that's why it's like that. So there you go. You smell of cinnamon now.
Me?
Cinnamon snacks. I can smell it. Cute. Glide it out.
Gosh.
Open the lid. What's that? Open it out.
What is it?
I go first.
Ah!
Now it's your turn.
Arts and crafts. Little game set. No one's winning.
Oh, nobody won. We're both too good at that.
I thought this was like a rice and
No.
peas and chips.
You going first?
Yeah.
Okay, because you're the oldest.
I'm not the oldest. You're the oldest. Bing, 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 bing.
Oh, nobody won. We're good at this game. We're both too good at it. Nobody won. Try again. I'll go first this time.
Did you try to eat that one?
No, I won't like that. Can I have beans on toast, please?
What are you saying?
You're in. Beans on toast. And what would you like?
I haven't written my name because I'm
Oh.
awake.
Oh, aren't you having your lunch break with us then, waitress?
Yeah, I
What are you going to have? Spaghetti hoops on toast?
am. No, not on toast.
Why? Delicious.
I'll try it a little bit.
It's lovely on toast. It's lovely.
I'll have this.
Can you write that?
I haven't.
Hoops.
I'll write my name.
Oh. Did you put your name on?
I didn't put it. 'Cause
Oh, calm down.
no, I'm not. Ah,
Putting them in the pan. What are you going to do with them?
disgusting. This disgusting.
They're not cockles, they're beans.
Yeah.
Beans
So
are
you'll get
lovely.
more.
Yes, no, that's fine.
Well, beans and cockle.
Beans are lovely. You
No.
don't need the attitude with me, madam.
No.
No, no, this people won't get with me. Right, shall we put them on the oven? On the cooker?
What are you saying of your cooker? Which one?
Hob on the top.
Good.
Yeah?
I'm wondering.
Oh dear. 7 going on 17. That's what we say. You're 7, but you think you're 17.
The better you feel, beans, please, for every meal.
Beans are lovely. High protein, high fibre, and low fat. Fill your tummy up for a long time, beans. Beans on toast. Now this one. What's this one?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Spaghetti in tomato sauce on toast. Delicious. And spaghetti hoops. Children's favourite.
Yes, I love it. Even I didn't have it for school meals.
Spaghetti hoops. Lots and lots of little circles of spaghetti.
Yay!
There you go. Who would like those?
Me.
Always you.
Yeah.
So bad.
Tiny cheesecakes. Oh.
If you cut the corner piece off, look like that, it's easy to get it.
Oh yeah, I'm doing it.
That's it. What do you think? Oh, you nearly got it in your hair. It's only one bean. Oh, cheesy beans. Yeah,
It's like a pizza one now.
it is really, isn't it?
Pizza crumpet.
Pizza crumpet was delicious.
Yeah.
So what about your hoops with your cheese on? Nice?
I haven't had it.
Try it then.
Toast. A lot more left.
So what
about the
fruit
red
can you see in?
ones?
Cherries.
Oh, let's try that one.
So what fruit can you see in it?
Grapes.
Yeah.
Cherries.
Yeah, what are the orange ones?
Mango.
You're eating a cherry. Eat the other fruit. You
Nah.
never get many cherries in, so you should eat the orange one. Tell me what you think to peaches,
Why?
because they're lovely. You can have the cherry on your meringue.
Really nice.
Oh, lovely. in meringues, you see. Okay. Right, now spoon the fruit. See, the one is lots of fruit, isn't it? Spoon the fruit, some on each one. I'll do it like this.
Oh,
That's alright, don't matter.
Pick it up.
Doesn't matter, because you will need to put some on the end. Can I just have this spoon a minute?
Ah,
Now we've got 4 cherries. There you go. Oh, delicious cream on the top. Look at that.
Oh dear,
Wow. You're not supposed to be eating it. You're supposed to be sharing it all out. Meringue. Fruit. Oh, cream. What fruit have we got?
Goldfish, pears.
Peaches.
Oh yeah, peach.
Pears. Pineapple. Thank you, Oliver. Are you going in?
Yeah.
Go on then, put your head in. Oh, wait for Taru to take a picture. Put your head up a bit. Come on, I can't see you. Oliver, I need to see your face.
I'm dead. Chop your head off. Look, pretend that's my head.
Oliver.
Pretend that's my head. And you chop my head off.
Excuse me, can I have one where I can see your face for a minute as well?
Okay.
Yeah.
Put your head up, Oliver, so I can see your face. That's it. Yes.
And when one where you
Well, you've got a pumpkin.